This is going to be a video product review of the HYLOGY blood pressure monitor. It goes on the upper arm, digital, automatic. The neat thing about this model is it has voice control or voice readout, so I'm very curious to hear how that works. It has a 90 measurement memory for 2 different people. It says it doesn't come with the cable, but it came with the cable. This will power, I believe, on 4 AA batteries. I could be wrong, but I think it's 4 AA. Or with your USB-C, and this is the cable. This will plug into the unit. And here's the unit over here. We have the large cuff. I want to get this all set up, and then I'm going to show you how this works. I will leave an affiliate link in the video description in case you want to purchase this. Let's get this going. On the side of the unit, we have the USB-C cable, which I will be plugging this round end into, and then I will plug this into the computer. On this side, we have the opening, and this is for the tube that goes around your upper arm. There is the back of the unit. Correction, it uses AAA batteries, so 4 AAA batteries, and they slide in the back, and then you put the cover back on here. I am going to be running this off of the USB-C. This is an extremely large armband, so it will fit you no matter what size you are. You will wrap this around your arm. We have the arrows over here that tell you which way you're supposed to connect this. Let me plug this in. I am going to plug it in right now. Let's see if it powers up or if I have to press the power switch. There we are. We are powered up. I don't know if you can see that through all the lighting. Press the button, so we have the lights over there. And now it's probably going to pump up. I don't have the band on me, but I just want to show you what it does. And after we are done with this, I will put it around my arm and we'll test it out. You can see over here we have a control. You can get it in the person mode to switch between person A or person B. So 2 people can use this, and it will have 90 slots for the memory for each person. Let's set this for person A, and I'm going to put this on my arm now. Not sure what my blood pressure is going to be because I'm doing the video, but we will see. Over here you can see the arrow is pointing down towards my hand. You want the tube in the middle part of your arm. You want this up as high on your bicep as you can. This might be a little too low. And I'm going to press the button and we're going to see what happens. I just had my blood pressure checked last week and it was very normal, but when I do my videos it tends to go up a little bit, so let's see where we're at. Whoa, yep, that's a little bit high. But there's the pulse over there. That shows you on the chart where you're at. It's a little bit elevated. Last week at the doctor it was much lower than this, but as I said, I'm doing videos, so it tends to go up during that time. Here you have different settings depending on what country you were in. Some of their models include voice readout. Others do not, so make sure that you order the correct version. I'm going to try this one last time. (127/80). Okay, so I was calmed down this time. At the doctor, I was about 130/80, which for me is fairly good. Sometimes it goes even lower. You want to be around 120/80. So this is a really nice unit to have. We can see right now the pink is lit up. That's person B. When you press these buttons, you can switch between person A, person B. You have 90 slots for the memory. This will turn off after 70 seconds. You can clear the memory if you need to. You can turn this unit off right in the middle of a test. If you need to remove it from your arm, you just press the button and the air will come out. Again, that is where the hose connects. This is where the USB-C cable goes. The other side plugs into either an AC adapter or your computer, or if you want, you can use 4 AAA batteries. The cuff on this thing is extremely large. I'm taking it off right now. This will fit you no matter what size person you are. This thing is huge. So this is the all-purpose cuff, the same thing you will find at almost every doctor and hospital now, the very large cuff that will fit everybody. This is made by HYLOGY. Again, check the video description. I will leave an affiliate link so that you can purchase this today. The price is incredible, comes with an instruction manual, and everything you need to check your blood pressure every day to make sure that you are in a good position for health.